Alrighty folks, you guys asked for it and we are going to give it to you. It is butchering of the chickens, day 3. So I'm going to walk you through the process. I can't show you the actual killing of the chickens, but I can show you how and afterwards. So first you're going to need 5-gallon buckets. We just got ours from Tractor Supply Co. And then you're going to need the kill cone is what we call them. These ones are from different places. This one is our favorite right here. This is the restraining cone from Little Giant. So that one's really good if you guys want that one. Or we just have some that are like this, more oval, but the longer the better. So you'll place your chicken upside down in here, and it's no different from putting them on their side and they kind of just sit there, or holding them upside down. It's no different from that. So just let them sit there for a little bit, and then you'll be able to feel around the head, and then you'll slit it, and heads go in a bucket and blood drips through. You'll let the blood drip there for about like a minute or 2. Then you will come over to here. This is kind of the hot water tank. We'll plug this in, and we will put a lid over top of it, and they will sit here for about a minute or 2. It needs to be a certain type of temperature. So this needs to be about 145 degrees to 150, and they'll sit in there for about a minute or 2, depending on how tough their wings are. Next, then you will place them into here. This is the defeatherer thing. I'm not sure what it's called. This is the plucker. So you'll place the bird inside. You will put this on top of it so it doesn't spray at you. And then you'll just press the button, and the feathers will come out and sit into this bucket. So it comes through right here. Next, you will bring the now featherless, so it'll look like just like a chicken, naked chicken, and you'll set them here. I will probably cut off the legs and parts of the wings, and then my dad will gut them, viscerate them, and we'll need the coolers soon too.
Yeah, coolers are up there.
So those are all of our coolers, right? Those white boxes, and we'll probably put them over there. And then you'll place the chicken inside, and I'll give you a more detailed walkthrough. Alrighty, here's the new area. So these are our Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation knives. They are very sharp and very good. Dad, is this the delunger?
Yeah.
This is the delunger that we had just purchased. I'll put it on here so you can see. Very sharp. Cutting board. Here is these are our special scissors. They're kind of weird, not gonna lie. And then gloves for my dad to wear because it gets really cold. And then these are our ice chests that we'll be using. It's Garrett. So Garrett is grabbing our first victims. So he's gonna grab those, and then I'll show you guys what to do. Dad has assured me these knives are his. This one. This is one of our biggest chickens. He has not been killed or anything. I'm not. So you just put him in there upside down, and he'll kind of just sit there for a few. Can't show you the dirty work, but that's what they're going to do. They're going to slit right above or right below that hole. Never mind, Frankie stole my knife.
Where is Cody?
So these are the chickens now. They're bleeding out. This one isn't working because they're too big now. So next we're going to place the dead chicken into the scalder. So they're just gonna place it in like so. And she just holds it there for a little while. It's our lucky day. There's a ladybug. So then the chicken is placed into the plucker. The totelet's behind you, Code. Behind you. So you have to spray water and turn it on. And then the feathers come out here. Then you turn it off, and then he'll check.
No, we got it right here.
No,
So now we're trying to figure out the perfect time to put them in the plucker because it's tearing apart the skin now and the meat itself instead of just getting off the feathers. So we're going to try to figure out a good time second to keep them in. Now this is just your chicken as it's ready, and I'm going to use a knife and we're going to cut off by the limbs.
There's no blood.
Yeah, I don't think this one bled out enough either.
I'm starting to think that they're not bleeding in there.
Because, like, they still got it everywhere.
Why can they not
Oh.
see?
And then this is something you would, like, find at, like, a store almost looking like. I'll show you all how to take off the joint of the leg. So, you see here, there's, like, little nubs. You're going to split the sides. And it should just break.
I can't seem to pull that in right there. You'll see a little bit.
So it should just be like that. We'll do the next side, try to make it a little better.
Yeah.
Kind of look for it.
Okay, you're the official.
Much
camera,
smoother.
too.
So here we have a gizzard. We have the legs
As long as we have.
in here and livers and hearts in here. Garrett has come equipped with the trash bag.
It's working.
And then the rain came.